Good morning, guys. Today I would like to show you how much is Strava. So actually the basic version is for free, so you can smoothly download the app and smoothly use it without any further payments. However, if you wish to use Strava Premium, just tap on settings icon, go to current subscription, click on continue once asked for a premium version, click on start free trial because you have the first month for free, and here you will be able to notice the year payment. So you just have to see how much it costs in your currency, and this is it. Here it is placed, and that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.